This is our lesson number 61, Natural Sapphire Inclusions, part 11. From this video, you can learn more and more about sapphire inclusions or birthmarks. If you forgot to subscribe yet, please subscribe and give a like and share to your friends and everybody to learn and join to gem industry. We are moving to inside. It is Natural Sapphire Inclusions, lesson number 61. This also we are discussing later slides. Now this one, look at this. Lighting conditions here. There are two, diffuse light field plus crossed polars. There are two lighting conditions. These two lighting conditions shows us in Sri Lanka sapphire, natural Sri Lankan sapphire or untreated sapphire from Sri Lanka features a euhedral double refractive crystal. Euhedral double refractive crystal floating against a rutile silk canvas. This is rutile silk, parallel rutile silk canvas. On the top of the canvas, we can see it is like floating. Euhedral crystal is floating. This tells us the sapphire is not treated. It is a natural sapphire, and this is the natural birthmark of that sapphire. We are moving to next. We saw this little bit in cover photo. Look at these inclusions here. Little bit complicated inclusions here. These are not, these are like discoids. That is not glassy discoids. It is natural discoids, not glass. This is natural sapphire from Sri Lanka. Lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique. Primary rutile crystals. These are the rutile crystals captured among secondary rutile silks. These are the rutile silks, and these are secondary rutile silks. So all are rutile. All are rutile, but you can see nothing happened by the high temperature or high pressure. So all are natural birthmarks inside this sapphire. So it tells us the stone is natural stone. Look at this also. Here the lighting condition is fiber optic oblique Sri Lankan sapphire. A group of three primary rutile crystals, 1, 2, 3. These primary rutile 3 crystals that looks like a pistol are set against silky background. This background is silky background. Against this silky background, it is primary rutile 3 crystals. All the environment shows us no damages done by the heat or pressure. So it is natural blue sapphire. It is Sri Lankan sapphire. Look at this. The lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique. There is a crystal, unusual crystal. It is little bit green. It is trapped in this unheated sapphire from Sri Lanka with a cloud of rutile silk. These are the rutile silk cloud. This is rutile silk cloud. With this cloud, it is trapped. Green crystal is trapped. So we can see the environment proves us the stone is not treated. It is a natural. Then we are moving to next. What is this? The lighting condition here is there are two, diffuse light field plus crossed polars. With this natural Sri Lankan sapphire here, triangular growth, it is twin growth. It peeks out from the culet of this unheated violet gem from Sri Lanka. It is showing from the culet, peaks, peeks out from the culet of this unheated violet green gem sapphire, violet sapphire in Sri Lankan sapphire. It tells us no harm happened to it with the high heat or high pressure. It is proving the stone is natural stone, not a treated stone. So please subscribe and share to all. We are moving to the next. In here, the green crystal is here. Lighting condition is 5 optic oblique. Green crystal is here. Trapped with environment is very clear. Nothing. So it is not heated one. This is not a glassy discoid. These are natural things. All are natural environment with unusual green crystal. So it is this green color crystal is trapped inside the stone. The environment tells us it is natural, not treated one. Here, what is the lighting condition here? It is fiber optic transmitted. Transmitted fiber optic. See the environment, everything here. It is a fingerprint. One of the classic inclusions in Sri Lankan sapphire is negative crystals. These are the negative crystals. Big negative crystal. Negative crystal. All are negative crystals. Negative crystals are common thing. They are usually filled with liquid carbon dioxide. These negative crystals filled with liquid carbon dioxide gas, and sometimes also contain a gas phase. Liquid carbon dioxide is here inside the negative crystal. Sometimes the carbon dioxide gas may be there. In addition, hexagonal black graphite plates, hexagonal, the shape is hexagonal. Black graphite plates and thin diaspore needles inside here, diaspore needles are there, are frequent guests in these small primary cavities. In these small primary cavities, the diaspore needles are the frequent guests. So we can prove this. It is not treated, it is untreated Sri Lankan stone. Here also, the lighting condition is fiber optic oblique. The same thing here. You can see in this picture, this one, and look at this one. Same thing. But here, hexagonal black graphite plates you can identify very well. Can you see? Hexagonal graphite plates. And the thin diaspore needles are here. You can see well. See? Thin diaspore needles. See? So you can see very well here than the earlier picture. These are the diaspore needles. Not diaspore needle, graphite plates. These are the diaspore needles, but we can see it properly here than the earlier one. See the diaspore needles here? See? Diaspore needles and black graphite plates. This is the fingerprint. So the same thing, but we can get more details. It is Sri Lankan sapphire, untreated sapphire. What is the lighting condition here? It is fiber optic oblique. Fiber optic oblique. Look at the inclusion here very well. These are not discoids, glassy discoids. This is not treated stone. It is natural stone. Look at the thing. One of the classic inclusions in Sri Lankan sapphire is negative crystals. Here, negative crystals. These are usually filled with liquid carbon dioxide. Liquid carbon dioxide is inside these negative crystals. Sometimes not liquid, it must be gas. Sometimes we can see the gas, carbon dioxide gas. In addition, hexagonal black graphite crystals here, see, hexagonal black graphite plates are there with the diaspore needles. Diaspore needles here. We are moving to next. What is the lighting condition here? It is fiber optic oblique. The same fingerprint here and some negative crystals. These are the negative crystals. And these negative crystals, these also negative crystals. All negative crystals are filled with liquid carbon dioxide and some are filled with gas state, gas phase. In addition, the black graphite plates are here, see? And the diaspore needles also inside. So graphite crystals or graphite plates, diaspore needles, and the negative crystals filled with liquid gas or sometimes gas state. Not only the liquid state, but also the gas state also filled. So this is very familiar one. Now it tells us the stone is, hosting stone is not treated, it is a natural stone. Here, what is here? Lighting condition is fiber optic oblique. The same thing. Graphite plates are here, black graphite plates you can see here. And you can see in this fingerprint, the negative crystals filled with liquid or gas carbon dioxides. And diaspore needles are here. So diaspore needles, negative crystals filled with gas or liquid, and the fingerprint are the common guests in this sapphire. All tells us it is not treated, it is a natural stone. What is here? Lighting condition is diffuse light field. That means transmitted light. Then see the thing here. Inclusions we can see. If the transmitted light in the birefringent crystals, these crystals are birefringent, is examined between crossed polars, it's double refractive. When it examined between crossed polars, we can see the double refractiveness. So transmitted light tells the birefringent in these crystals. So this is treated, not treated, natural stone. You can see properly here, the birefringent crystals you can see. Crossed polars with diffuse light field and crossed polars, we can see the same picture. Earlier, this picture, we can see like this, the birefringent. It is Sri Lanka. Double refractive reveals double refractive nature of these crystals. Nothing happened with the heat or pressure here. So it is natural, untreated sapphire. Look at this. Negative crystals are there. Very nice fingerprint. Very nice fingerprint. And the negative crystals are there. Unheated sapphire. You can see, watch the negative crystals. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. No distortion. So no heat or pressure there. So it is a natural fingerprint. So it tells us the stone is natural. It also Sri Lankan sapphire. What is this here? It is another crystal here. Crystal embedded in the fingerprint. Look at the fingerprint. The environment shows us the fingerprint and the negative crystal. And this crystal embedded in the fingerprint produces a brilliant reflection in this unheated sapphire from Sri Lanka. So it is unheated sapphire, natural sapphire. We are moving to the final stage. We will meet on natural inclusions part 12. That means lesson number 62. Your comments will upgrade my service. Always follow the lesson number. Please write down a note in your book to learn well. Share to people you know these free given lessons to improve their knowledge for getting them to gem industry. Okay, we are meeting in lesson number 62.